In my area, there's a thrift store where I guess if you're an influencer or whoever, anyone can come and rent out a little rack and sell your clothes. They'll sell it for you. They take 15% off the top and then you keep the rest. Like a consignment store, but it's more personal. I've never been. I'm so excited to go and take you guys along because I want to see if there's any hidden deals there. It was $10, but I think this retails and resells for $50 plus. It is a little bit of a double-edged sword because I'm sure I'll find good stuff, but people will probably price it up a little bit higher than what I need to buy it for to like resell it. So let's go on an adventure together. Let's find some cool stuff and just see what this is all about. Okay, so first up, I mean, if this is real, this is worth a ton, but I don't know if it is. It might be fake. This seems good. $10, that's reasonable. So this was exciting because this was a brand I had to look up, but I had a feeling it would be worth a lot. The brand is Wool X. It was $10, but I think this retails and resells for $50 plus. Maybe this is a $90 shirt. I did some research on it and hopefully future me will have something up here. This should resell for like 40 or 50. I think it was a great pickup. Definitely be on the lookout for 100% merino wool brands, Smart Wool, Wool X, stuff like that. It sells really, really well. This brand, Explore, caught my eye. For just $10, I thought it's 100% merino wool. I'm gonna look up what this retails for because I didn't see a lot of comps on eBay and it retails for like 150 bucks. So I thought, hey, let's just go ahead and grab it. Same with these pants. I had not seen this brand before, but I did a quick Google search and saw that they retailed for quite a bit of money. So first up, we have these pants. The brand I hadn't actually heard of. It's Doer, I don't know, or Duer or whatever it could be. When I looked up like what this brand was about, I saw that it retails for like $140. They're supposed to be like the world's most comfortable pants, and for a really reasonable price, I went ahead and I picked these up because they do flip really well for like 40 bucks. So we're off to a good start because I found a couple of pairs of these and I think they'll sell great. Again with the Patagonia kids. So this is a vintage, made in the USA, probably early 90s, possibly late 80s, Patagonia patterned fleece. And whenever you see the interior tag and it's older like this and it says made in USA, you found something that's vintage and that's really sought after. So this, even though it's for kids, like I said, it'll sell for like $65 to $75. So that's kind of why I picked it up, even though it was I think 15 at the store. Yeah, really, really excited to find this. I think it's awesome. I'm gonna try to convince one of my kids to keep it and rock it because I think it's so cool. But if they don't want it, I will for sure be selling it on eBay. These little lounge sets sell really, really well. This is an Anthropologie brand, Saturday, Sunday, and when I looked up comps, I saw a bunch of listings on Poshmark for $70, $80 plus. So for just $10 for the set, I definitely grabbed them. And aloe leggings do sell consistently well for me, but not for $20. I'm gonna leave those behind. On Cloud, however, even for $30, they should sell easily and quickly for like $70, $80 plus. Some more aloe leggings. These are some goddess mesh leggings. So because they're the goddess style, I am willing to pay up for them because that is like their best selling style. But for 20 bucks for just really basic Lululemon leggings, I have to look up the style and make sure that it'll resell well. And these are some Wonder Unders. Comps looked really good, so I did grab them. Same with these Spanx leggings. I do like picking up Spanx. It sells really well. I'm hoping to sell these for around $40. Again, yeah, I'm paying up, but I'm trying to make sure it's worth it. Gymshark for $10, I will pick up a little hesitantly. But a Patagonia shirt for just $5, more than happy to pick that up. I should be able to flip it for at the very least $20. Whenever I spotted Lulu at this store for less than $20, I was tempted to grab it, so I did get these shorts thinking they would flip pretty well. But this belt bag, even though belt bags are popular, it had a bunch of wear on it, $15, it just wasn't worth it, so I did leave it behind. This hoodie was so tempting, but they just wanted way too much money for it. So unfortunately, sad face, I had to pass on it. These Nikes though caught my eye. They were a little dingy, but for $25, I wagered I could clean them up and flip them for a decent profit. So that's what I'm doing. And there we go, not to toot my own horn, but they look amazing and they cleaned up beautifully. All right, you guys, I have a huge Whatnot auction coming up this Thursday, October 19th. A lot of the stuff that you've seen me find recently, I'm going to be including these Nike Epic Reacts, Coolabur by UGG. I have these amazing Doc Martens that are customized with an old Louis Vuitton purse. I'll also be auctioning off these Nikes that you guys saw me find in this video. So it'll be an all shoe auction this Thursday, October 19th. We have had so much fun on Whatnot so far. We've done a Lululemon auction, the purse auction, we've done shoes. Whatnot is a live selling platform that lets you take items in real time and auction them off to the highest bidder. Everything that I'm doing starts at $1, so if it goes for $1, it goes for $1. But you bid in real time and then you win the auction, it gets shipped out the next day. It is such a fun way to shop, and everyone that I've told about it has said, you've seriously got me addicted to Whatnot. I personally am addicted as well. I love shopping on there. I love hanging out on there. And the best part is if you sign up and make your first purchase here at this auction, you get $15 off. So you can get a really good deal on some of this stuff here. I'm so excited to see you guys again this Thursday, 7 p.m. Mountain Time, October 19th. I'll see you there. I was so sad about this Patagonia because it's the cutest thing ever, but for $25, I really wasn't convinced there was enough profit for me, so I did have to pass on it. But HD in Paris is a really good Anthropologie brand, and this dress was in like new condition. I see a listing on Poshmark for $75, so I went ahead and I grabbed it thinking I could at least flip it for maybe $50. A Kate Spade purse here. This is so cute for just $10. I was like, I think I can flip that. Another Kate Spade. This one was $15, but it was really cute and unique. Again, I think I can sell it for around $40. Joie is a really good brand, $10. It retails for a ton, so it doesn't hold its value super great, but for $10, I thought I can flip it for $40. Same with these really cute Kate Spade booties. They were $15. I thought, let's just go ahead and grab them. So right here you can see people just list what they have and you can shop their rack. It's really unique. It's such a different style. This rack had a lot of Lululemon, so I'm gonna look at it and check the prices. For $18, I was pretty confident that I could pick these up and flip them for a decent amount. With this Skims dress, same story here. I mean, Skims, especially these maxi dresses, tend to sell for a lot, so I went ahead and I grabbed it. Oh, Freebirds for $56. You guys, it killed me. So I did pick up the Freebirds for $56. I know it's a lot. You know, I don't love paying up that much for things unless I know, like these, they'll sell for like over 100, or they should. Every pair I've had that I've sold in my store has sold for over 100, so hopefully these make me a little bit of money, but if not, you know, it's always cool to pick up a fast selling item like this. Sweaty Betty is an activewear brand that I don't see super often, but I love picking it up because it sells really well. It has a following. So for $10, I was confident that I could flip this for $30, $35. I really love finding Love Shack Fancy, but for $100, this would not flip on eBay for that much, so I definitely left it behind. Same with this hoodie. Oh, it killed me, you guys, because this is a fantastic brand, Aviator Nation, but unfortunately, you know, it was just a little too high for me, so I had to pass. However, these Beyond Yoga leggings were just $20 and they were new with tags. They retail for $100, so I was pretty confident I could flip them for like $50 at least. And these Noble sneakers were just $20, so I thought that was a pretty good deal, thinking I could flip them for at least $60, so that's why I grabbed them. They were in good condition too. And at the same rack, they had some Chubbies swim shorts. These actually already sold for me for $35. Super thrilled with that. So I found two pairs. One of them has sold, and I'm just waiting on the other one. And then some Athleta Trekkie leggings. These should sell really great for $12. So I've mentioned this before, but whenever you see the Athleta tag with the style name right on that tag, that like size label, that means that it's a more recent style. So this is the Trekkie pant, and they were $12, but I do think they'll flip for like $40, so I was excited to pick that up. With Indie Clover, the name of the game was finding things that were recent and that would move quickly, and yes, I'm paying up, but the bonus is I found a lot of like really, really good stuff. Whereas when I go to like the bins or somewhere, you know, where it's more picked over and you're getting stuff super cheap, you have to really dig and kind of lower your standards for like what you want to find and hope that it sells for $10 to $15. So what's nice about this is that the stuff will move quickly, the price should be pretty high for what I can sell it for, and it'll be a faster sell-through rate, which is kind of what I'm going for on eBay right now. So that's the goal. Yes, I'm paying up, but I think it'll be worth it. Zaya is just not moving for me lately, but I just couldn't resist these brand new leggings. They were camo print. Camo is a more sought after print, so I just grabbed them thinking at least I could sell them for $20. And then a Free People top for just $7. So a lot of the Free People was priced pretty high, but this was a really reasonable price. I went ahead and I grabbed it thinking I can flip it for like $30, $35. And then Ivy Park is Beyonce's brand. This doesn't sell super great anymore, but for $5, I went ahead and I grabbed it. And then this Adidas windbreaker was just 10. And I thought, hey, I could flip this for maybe 30, 40. A Patagonia hat, I'll totally grab that for $6. And then some jeans. We have Rock Revival for just $10. I'll totally grab that. Rock Revival sells for me $35 to $45 every single time. And then these really cute printed Free People velvet pants, a reasonable price. I'll go ahead and grab them and hope to flip them for 30 or 40. It was so interesting to see, like, one rack would have Rock Revival, but it would be like $40. And then another rack right next to it would have Rock Revival for just 10. So it was kind of interesting to see how like everything was priced so uniquely. I was kind of looking for the deals. So Rock Revival for $10 is an easy pickup. These are the Yan boot, and these should sell for like $45. Rock Revival is a very, very consistent seller for me. Always sells quickly. And then Cool for $8. I love picking up Cool, especially when it's lower price. These Cool pants are a consistent $25 to $35 sale for me on eBay. We have some more Athleta. This is in a size medium tall, which is a great size for Athleta. These should flip easily for $30, so I grabbed them for $6, thinking, awesome, this is a really reasonably priced rack here. But then I saw some Lulu that broke my heart because all of these were priced super, super high. However, I found a tiny dress. This is an Anthropologie brand for just $8. This should flip for, I don't know, between 30 and 40. And then I spotted this Lulu hoodie. I'm always looking for Lulu for myself, so this is a keeper for me. Too high to resell, but I'll for sure grab it in brand new condition for myself. Tons of Lululemon here in this rack. All of it new with tags, most of it I should say, but you know, a little bit on the higher price side. So I only grabbed some prints that I was thinking I can keep for myself until I'm ready to flip them. So I found some unique prints and thought, hey, let's just grab them. So when it comes to Lululemon, you guys saw a lot of it was way overpriced. Some of it was really reasonable, but I did end up picking up these patterns here for, I think it was $15 or $20 each. So yeah, that's a lot, but when it's a really unique pattern and a different style, a more recent style, it does tend to sell a little faster for me. So even though I paid up and I do plan on keeping them for a little bit, I think they'll sell for like 45 or 50. So that's kind of my hope there. This Cozy Earth hoodie was one of the finds of the day because for $8, I should be able to sell this for close to $80. This is a really, really expensive brand and sought after. I was so thrilled to find that. As well as this like Nike windbreaker. This should sell great. It's a more recent style for $15. I'm hoping to sell it for around $50. So definitely added that to the cart. And then I spotted some kind of suspicious Jordans. You know, I'm always skeptical. I mean, I don't know. You guys can tell me in the comments if they looked good. To me, I didn't know enough about them. However, these Rag & Bone boots were in beautiful condition and I already sold them for $92 on Poshmark. So really excited about that. For $20, easily quadruple my investment there. And then this Vince cardigan. Vince is a very expensive brand. For $12, I'll happily pick that up. As well as these Athleta cargo joggers. I love these, they're super in style. I'm actually gonna keep those for me for now. Rebecca Minkoff for just $8. These are some really nice stacked heel shoes. I see a sold comp on Poshmark for $150, so say less. I went ahead and I grabbed it. As well as this really cute Free People smocked dress for just $10. I'm hoping to flip it for 40 to 50, but this was the find of the day. I was so excited. I love Jenny Kane. So Jenny Kane is a major bolo. I actually already photographed it and it's in my storage unit, but I'll be holding it right here to share with you guys. I did sweater shave it, super easy to clean up. I paid $30, but that is called the Everyday Sweater. It retails for $185, and Jenny Kane retains its value really, really well. It's extremely sought after, so it should sell possibly $80 to $100. I should easily triple my money there. Okay, so of the Mother jeans, these are Mother Superior. So yes, they are $40, but these sell for like $150 to $185. So easily I will pick that up. As well as this Patagonia jacket. I love these styles. They sell really great, even in a kid's size. I pick up Patagonia kids all the time because it still sells really well. So this is a Patagonia kid size 10. This is a torrent shell jacket. It's a rain jacket. The last time I had a torrent shell jacket from Patagonia, it sold super fast, and it was even like not in perfect condition. So this should still sell really great. I think around $40 or $50 is what I can expect from this. All right, it's the most important time of the day. It's treat time, and I'm so excited because I'm actually dying. I was at that store you guys, for like 4 hours. So I know it doesn't always look like it, but I'm there for a long time. And I think I deserve a big treat and a big cookie. I know, it's so big. I'm so thirsty. I haven't had any Diet Coke this week actually, so this is my first sip all week. I'm trying to save it for just after my thrift trip, so I'm not guzzling it all the time. Okay, so at Indie Clover, I did do some personal shopping, and so I've been doing some math on my little spreadsheet over here, and you can take out about $225 worth of stuff that I got just for me. We could take the total, my total cost, down to around $900 based on what I paid, but I did the math on what the resale value should be from this haul, and I came up with just over $2,700 in resale value. So I'm thrilled with that. Yes, I paid up, but we have like over $1,000 at least in profit. So I think it was totally worth it for an afternoon out thrifting and finding cool stuff to sell. I really appreciate you guys. This was so much fun. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm super happy that this is my job. I get to go thrift and find cool stuff and do what I love and share it with all of you. And I just hope that it helps even one person out there kind of discover the beauty of reselling and seeing that you can make a little bit of money from home. Thanks, you guys. Take care, and I'll catch you next time.